suspension talaga yung nag-separate ng ikaw, bike, and then yung ground. So, having a tuned suspension is...
Comfortability.
Yes, sir. Comfortability and then stability, performance, like po talaga, sir, magbabago natin. Sa kabila is inverted. This is conventional or telescopic. Ang downside dito, sir, is hindi po siya adjustable. Ang problem kasi sa inyo, sir, is yung spring sobrang lambot. Can you try to sit on the bike, sir? Tapos may papapil lang ako sa iyo, sir. Ramdaman niyo yun, sir, parang lumabag po siya. Tayo po kayo, sir, and then feeling niya to, sir. Ito, sir, yung rider sag. Ito po yung kinocompute natin kanina sa first bike niya po. However, dito, wala po siyang adjuster. Sakay po kayo, sir. And then, tapak na lang kayo, sir, sa foot peg. Pa-full brake, sir, sa front. Dito lang po. Dito, sir, kahit wag na. And then, ramdam niya, sir, may parang dead end. So, what I recommend is palit po tayo, sir, ng springs. Ang trabaho po kasi, sir, ng springs, ito po. So, without that suspension travel, malaking loss po, sir, sa
So ano siya
performance.
dapat pag inakit?
Pag inupuan po, sir, is at least 30% lang po sa ng suspension travel. Ang suspension travel po nito is 120. So, dapat around 30 to 35 mm lang po.
What?
Ang nilulubog.
Ito,
So, this is about 80 mm, sir.
Oh, shit.
So, yun, sir, nararamdaman nyo naman, sir, na
Oh.
sobrang laki po ng sag. Yung kinakompress niya, sir, once napuan niyo po yung bike. However, yung springs natin, sir, is hindi po siya readily available. And then, kailangan natin, sir, sukatan yung springs according to its size and to your weight. So, magpapalit tayo, sir, ng hardware and then oils, lubricate some seals, para, sir, mas maging maganda yung performance po.
Okay. Alright. Sige ako dyan. Let's go. Let's go.